So now that our plans are secured, how about we go over and have ourselves a margarita?
I thought you would never ask.
Well, I'm going to ask because I'm a lady and I'm polite. What is your favorite way to have a margarita?
Again, I thought you would never ask. I like it skinny.
Oh, a skinny margarita. Okay.
If it's an option, I like it a little spicy.
Okay.
I'll take salt. I also am known to like a tahini rim. How about you?
Do you like it on the rocks or do you like it
on
neat?
the rocks?
Okay, don't be ridiculous, Castro. I like salt on the rocks, all that business.
Beautiful. And what better way to end the show than in some fabulous outfits and having a margarita?
It is National Margarita Day after all, and we're going to show you how to make 4 different riffs on the very iconic cocktail. This might be my favorite day.
It is. It's a great day. Joining us to introduce that is Fabiola Juarez, a bartender and beverage consultant. Hello and welcome to New York Living.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
We got all dressed up just for you.
We take our margaritas very seriously.
Yes.
I would like to amend my answer. I love a black salt rim.
Yeah.
And sometimes they put it down the side of the glass.
Ooh, that's fantastic.
Fancy for my outfit.
Talk to us about the different things you have done with the margarita. I had no idea the margarita was so versatile.
Yeah, so we are doing a couple versions of margarita. It's gonna be sustainable as well.
Great. I'm gonna move over here so you can do your thing.
You go shake them up.
We're gonna start off with Herradura margarita. So for this one, pardon me.
What do you need? We're here to serve you. What do you need? A
We're
lime.
gonna do 2 ounces of margarita. I mean of
tequila?
Herradura.
Okay.
Yeah. So for each one, so for now it's gonna be 4.
Oh, your bracelet.
Here goes my
Miss
bracelet.
Alex.
Excuse me.
And this is what margarita is this? Is this the classic?
So it's gonna be a riff on the classic.
Okay.
So it's gonna have
Beautiful.
prickly pear, because prickly pear's in season right now till May.
Great.
One of my favorites
Yeah,
from
and then we
an
did like a nice
establishment.
cordial.
Yeah, excellent.
So our cordial basically is the syrup, and then we use like the spices from like the holiday, so nutmeg, clove, cinnamon.
Right.
Just like give it a little bit more of a spice.
I like it.
So it's gonna be 3 ounces for 2.
It's you and me. 1, 2.
Boom.
Just
And nobody
enough.
else.
That's right.
And then it's gonna be 3/4 for each margarita. So you're gonna do 1.5
And that is lime juice.
lime juice.
Excellent. And then we put a little.
You cannot forget the ice. I don't want a warm margarita.
That nothing makes.
Let's do the black salt.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. See, asking you shall receive.
She heard you.
She's gonna make it nice for us.
And this is black lava salt.
Oh,
Just
that
to
is
like
it.
make it even prettier.
That is the one.
Black lava. I was wondering.
She
what that
went to the
was.
volcano this
I
morning.
went to Hawaii.
And got
She
it.
gathered the salts.
She knew we were
And
dressed
came
to
here.
impress. And she got this.
And then we also do have a spicy margarita for you.
Thank you.
And this looks like it might even be a Paloma, but we're going to get to that when we get to that.
Ooh, I do like a Paloma.
That might be my favorite. If there's one constant in life, the margarita never lets me down. Never does.
Amen. Thank you, Jesus.
So we're using the Herradura, which is aged in 45 days in barrel, which is a nice undertone to like the whole spices in the cordial, which has like a nice vanilla flavor to it.
Oh, how pretty!
Yes,
It's a prickly pear.
prickly pear.
Oh, I've never had anything with prickly pear.
No?
Look at that.
There's a chain of Mexican restaurants in this city called Dos Caminos.
Oh yeah, I've been there.
Their prickly pear margarita
That's a good
will blow
one.
your socks off.
Okay, great.
Thank you. But I have a feeling this one's about to be my favorite.
Can we have a?
So we use
Look at
everything fresh, obviously.
Look at that.
So here you go.
Thank
Thank you, darling. Cheers.
L'chaim.
L'chaim, salud.
That is delicious.
The black lava salt really makes it.
Holy smokes. I like that a lot.
Next up, you have something called the Mexican Spitfire.
Yes.
What's happening with that?
So I got the name from the movie, which I thought was like a really cool name.
Which movie is this?
It's an old movie.
The movie is called Mexican Spitfire.
Yeah, the Mexican,
Okay.
yeah.
Sure.
So this is gonna be blood orange, and then we do like a nice agave with habanero, or you could do whatever spice you have, habanero,
Great.
serrano.
Whatever spice you can find.
Yeah.
Or whatever spice
you have at home.
or whatever spice
Oh.
you're serving us.
Yeah, she's got a nice kick to it.
Yeah, it's a little cake.
I like that.
Oh, this one makes you feel alive. Yeah,
well.
yeah. I like it.
That's nice.
Oh, I like.
I'm gonna drink this while I finish watching Griselda on Netflix.
But you gotta sip this nice.
Oh, I did.
Otherwise,
You go.
it turns into a different kind of night. All right, so now our third one is.
Third one.
Is that a kumquat?
No, this is gooseberries.
A gooseberry. I was
Yes.
wrong.
You were
You wanna
close.
try one?
Yes.
Try one.
Yeah. So this one kind of reminded me of like being.
Very
I've
nice.
never been to Sicily, but
Why not? We'll go there with our imaginations.
They do
Okay.
have kumquats in Sicily.
Yeah. So this is a golden hour. So this is basically like the golden hour where you're just enjoying like the sunset, like
Love
near
it.
the ocean. So basically it has Italicus, which is a nice bergamot. Liqueur has like a little bit of chamomile. And then it also has Herradura Ultra, which has like nice like almond toasted notes.
Oh.
And then this has yuzu soda.
The yuzu is the hot.
It's
There
a
we go.
Opa.
Ooh, for a little bit of bubble situation.
Yeah. So this is a Tegna Paloma, which a Paloma is usually grapefruit
Grapefruit.
juice, tequila.
What's in this pretty bottle?
So that's absent.
Oh,
Well,
that you
you
got
can-
that you got to be careful with. Okay.
This one I love.
Oh,
and
wow.
you
Look at me.
try
I
that.
tried it already.
You were.
But you need
Oh, you're
to
gonna
absent.
spray it.
Yeah.
The drink
and then
was
you
not
also.
finished.
I thought it was a decoration.
No, it's fine. I'm glad you're excited about it.
Wait, I was not lying.
I think
Oh,
half
yeah,
the
the
thing with the
gooseberries.
Gooseberry?
libation is.
I mean, now you tried it,
Oh, you-
so yes.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yes, I do.
So now
smell
you
it.
can try it with it and without.
Okay.
I've never seen a liquor sprayed before.
No,
yeah.
I think it makes a big difference.
Yes.
Yeah,
Which
'cause-
one is your favorite of all of these? And I know we have one more.
Sorry.
To go. It's like
We
a perfume.
have my favorite one. It depends on my mood, honestly.
I hear you.
I do love the
That one.
Nacho Libre.
The Nacho Libre.
Last but not least, what is this fella?
So that one is going to be Dos Hombres Mezcal. So it's 100% espadín, which plays really nice with margaritas. Lime juice, cucumber, freshly pressed cucumber.
And of course, a lime.
And then it also has a little bit of aquavit, which I think it gives it like a nice aromatic note to it. And then just spice it up a little
Yeah,
bit more.
it's very pretty. I can smell the cucumber.
Let's give our guest one.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank
Cheers
you.
to breakfast.
Cheers. Cheers to breakfast. Thank you so much.
Thank you.